bounce me now. Press your standard on the ground for me now. Bounce me now. Bounce me now. Press your standard on the ground for me now. Bounce me now.
Hi guys, how are you doing and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this. I tried a twist out style on my tour, and guys, it's not even been a month fully and my hair's grown that long. That is absolutely crazy. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I filled in my bald patch right there. Long story short, this happened when I was 14 years old. I had someone did my hair and they were styling it every day, and that bit just eat out no more. And obviously when I went back home to my mom, she knocked me out because, like, come on, your pretty hair and you have a patch there. So I'm using Mshair. Again, this is the hair foundation kit, and it also has the new edge control, the spray to, you know, keep the fibers in place and so that they don't move. This company is a black owned company, and as you all know, I work with a lot of black owned companies. Since I've started YouTube, nothing has changed. So obviously I am making sure that I put my G's on because they're great people. They work very, very hard and their product is amazing. It saved me, guys, saved me. And before anybody, you know, goes on saying, oh, I just use mascara or eyeshadow on the patch. No, I do that and it's just so blatant and it's just so bait. Like when I do it, like you can actually see just that my scalp looks colored in. And sometimes it even match my hair. So with this, they have 5 different shades, which is really, really good. So it's not just only for really, really dark hair. Stays on, you can sleep, it won't go on your pillow. It's about 3 days it lasts for, so it's really, really good. I just personally feel like this is a step up from the mascara and also the eyeshadow that you put on, you know, to hide the patches. Like, it's like saying if you have an iPhone 4, okay, now want an iPhone 6, upgrade. Please check them out. All the information will be in the description bar below, and I really, really hope that you like this video. So let's get started.
Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
So we're starting off with damp moisturized hair. I've left some leave-in conditioner in there, and then I'm using the icy gel moisturizer. It helps with your curls. Yes, honey. So I just rub that in, distribute it evenly, and then I start with the Eco Styler gel, and that basically will help me define the curls. So what I do is just part a section, I rub the gel in the hair, and I just take a little strand and I just twist. Normally people just kind of like straighten them out kind of thing, but I just feel like to get like a proper curl that stays in for longer, like it's better when I twist the hair. So basically, guys, I just apply gel all over the hair, and then I just get little sections and just keep twisting. The front is more important for me in terms of making this video because, like, I can show you how I style the front and then also cover up the patch with the Mshair foundation kit. So yeah, the curls are coming out so nice and they look so cute. The first time I ever shaved my head, I was about 17, 18, and literally, like, I did the same thing, but my hair was super short. I can't actually believe how long my hair's grown in the space of a month. Like, it's a bit mad. this I did very minimal baby hairs. I just didn't want too much, guys. Like, I just don't feel the need to go crazy with this one. I just like it simple. So I just use the end of the brush or a comb just to kind of, you know, tease it up a little bit and shape it. Yes, honey, yes. Now for the thing that bothers me so much, this bloody patch. Like, when I have my hair short, you can see even more. So we need to cover that bad boy up. So I'm using the Mshair foundation. Now girl, let me tell you about this, honey. It basically helps like thinning hair within seconds, and it conceals it like nicely, even grey hairs. I have a few, but I don't need it for that, guys. It's created for curly and afro textured hair and can work on various hairstyles like this shortcut that I'm doing: updos, braids, locks, relaxed hair. The list goes on, guys. Literally, it's so good. It's made from natural ingredients, so it definitely won't irritate your skin. It won't stain your clothes or your pillow. It's not a dye. As I said before, it has 5 different colors, so like it's not just for dark hair like mine. And you can remove it by just shampooing your hair using like wet wipe. Very moisturizing edge control that's not too greasy and actually sticks down the hair nicely. Less is more with using this one, guys. You just need like a little bit of it and it goes a long way, literally a pea-sized amount, and I'm just using that to kind of make the parting more defined. I didn't even like tie my hair, I didn't set my hair, I didn't use bobby pins. I'm just relying solely on the edge control. So to keep this style, guys, literally just use a satin or silk scarf when you're tying your hair at night, and literally it's just amazing. I'm just adding the spray just to set the hair foundation in place, and as you can tell, nothing on the fingers, honey. I feel so good. So this is the final look, and I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It wasn't super in depth, but you get the picture. You do the same thing all over your head, and it's the front that matters more because that's where you're doing the more styling. And also, if you want to cover up your patches, don't forget Mshair. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. All the information will be in the description bar below, and I will see you in my next video. I hate the same line every time I have to change it. Anyways, bye guys.